Okay, aloha guys. So today we're gonna make some chicken adobo, but we're gonna make them kind of on fusion style. We've been doing this a while back, and it's from one of the restaurants I came from in Vegas that I was the exec chef for. So we're doing basic chicken adobo, but we're adding coconut milk and some lemongrass, and it kind of gives them one little different kind of flavor that I think you folks would enjoy. So what it is I get 10 pounds of chicken. I'll show you guys right now. I get 10 pounds of chicken in a pot right now. I get boneless, skinless. Now for you guys going to do them at home, you guys can use bone-in chicken. Actually, I would prefer using bone-in chicken. You know, chicken thighs bone-in. But then this restaurant, so you guys don't like mess with the bones and whatnot. So we're using boneless, skinless. And usually if you use bone-in chicken, you guys can actually put them on the, after you adobo the thing, make them soft, you can throw them on the hibachi or fry them a little bit, make them golden brown, or even put them under the broiler and make them golden brown. So anyway, let me go show you guys what I'm going to do. So I get garlic over there. I get about, so this is 10 pounds of chicken, and I go have the recipe at the end of the kind, yeah. The original recipe called for 4 pounds, but no sense we make 4 pounds, right? So I go put the recipe at the end of the video for 4 pounds, but I'm running 10 pounds right now. Okay, so I get about 15 cloves of garlic, just rough chop. You don't even really have to chop them, but rough chop. I get 5 serrano chilies, but the serrano chilies we're leaving whole. Okay, seeds and all, but we're leaving whole. I get about 15 bay leaves, and I get about tablespoon and a half of lemongrass, fine chopped lemongrass. Yeah, I get shoyu, soy sauce, and I get white vinegar. Remember now, use white vinegar, okay? And I get about 5 cans coconut milk. Use some good coconut milk, okay, guys? And then of course we're gonna salt and pepper the thing first, too, after that, okay? So what we're gonna do now is I just gonna throw everything in the pot one crack, yeah? You guys don't need that kind. Just throw everything in the pot and mix them up. So let me get everything in the pot, and I'll be right back to you guys. Okay guys, so I throw everything inside a pot. I get the lemongrass and the bay leaves and the chili and the shoyu and the white vinegar, yeah, along with the lemongrass and all, everything inside. Everything I showed you that was on the cutting board stay inside there now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the coconut milk inside now. I don't even have the fire on yet, yeah. So I'm gonna throw the coconut milk inside there, and I get 5 cans coconut milk, okay. You know when you guys open you guys coconut milk, make sure you guys shake them like that so you mix the cream and everything around in the coconut milk there. A lot of times the things separate and you stuck the cream inside, that's why. So make sure you shake them up good or mix them up good, or whichever way you guys are gonna do. Okay. So the original recipe is 4 pounds chicken and 1 can coconut milk. So of course we get 10 pound chicken. Supposed to have less. Sorry, I get 20 pound chicken inside here. I make mistake. Okay, anyway, I get 20 pound chicken inside here. Okay, so then you just mix them around. Just so all the ingredients all mix up, yeah. Okay, then right, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna add a little bit of salt right now, but don't add too much, okay? Because you can always put later on. But remember the old saying, right? You can take them out, bro. So I just gonna add no more tablespoon salt inside right now, and then pepper. You like about 3 tablespoon pepper inside. Pepper is always good in adobo, right? So 3 heaping tablespoon pepper is good, okay? And then what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna bring the fire up to medium high. Should turn on the right fire. and I'm gonna bring them to a boil, but not on hard boil. As soon as the thing starts boiling, I will turn them down to low simmer, then I'm gonna cover them. Okay? When I cover them, I'm gonna leave, and we're gonna make the chicken come soft. You know, that kind show you chicken kind soft, man. So, okay, so I get all the salt, everything mixed in right now. So this kind of what look like now, okay? With all the coconut milk inside, everything like that. So let me bring this thing up to a boil. When I think come up to a boil, when I turn them down to a simmer, I show you guys. Then we're gonna finish up the product after that. Okay, I see you guys in a bit. I'm up to a boil right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring down the temperature. I'm gonna bring down the temperature to a slow simmer. Okay. And then mix them every once in a while too, yeah? Okay? Mix them every once in a while. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring them to a slow simmer, and we're gonna cook them to the thing is almost fall apart kind chicken. You know what I mean, right? Braise them long enough, the thing almost fall apart. And then after that, I'm gonna show you the final steps. What we're gonna do is we're gonna strain them. We're gonna take the chicken out, strain the sauce, and then reduce the sauce to thicken them up. Okay? So let me get this thing down a little bit. Okay. So now we're going to do a slow simmer, and I'll put the cover back on, and then we'll go cook them. It'll take about hour and a half. But you guys check. You guys, everybody's stove different. Everybody, the way you guys cook different. So check them, but stir them every 10-15 minutes. Give them a couple good stirs. And then as soon as the thing ready for strain and do the next steps, I get back to you guys. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, so we've been simmering this thing for about an hour right now, and it's pretty much tender. Not fall apart tender yet. You know, like the chicken will just get on shreds, but enough to just cut with the spoon, yeah? So we strain out everything out of the sauce, and we get the sauce right here now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this sauce back up to a boil, and I'm gonna reduce them by 1/3. In other words, I'm gonna get 2/3 of the juice left, and then I'm gonna thicken them up a little bit. Then we're gonna use that sauce for pour over the chicken. Let me tell you, bro, this thing is real only. You guys gotta give this one a try. You know, I'm trying to think who created this thing, and I know it was one of my sous chefs from before. Because we had made adobo for a family meal, and he had the bright idea to add coconut milk, lemongrass, and some chilies and whatnot, and came out so delicious. And when we started serving them in the restaurant, the guys was going nuts over them. So I give this one a try. So anyway, you see him getting up to them, boy. We're gonna reduce them by 1/3. Then I'm gonna thicken them up a little bit with cornstarch, and then I show you guys the final product at the end. Okay? So hang on, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I say reduce them by 1/3 now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cornstarch mixture, okay? But I not can hold the camera, put the cornstarch mixture and whisk at the same time. So I'm gonna put this down over here like this. And then, so when we put in this cornstarch mixture, we're gonna thicken up the sauce, but we're not going, you don't like make them gravy kind of thick. You don't like make them brown gravy kind of thick. You like make them like on glaze, you know what I mean? Because you don't like them like really thick. So I'll go show you guys the final product. But let me go show this cornstarch inside. Okay, so that's about it. I let it boil a couple minutes, simmer a couple minutes, just so we get cooked out the cornstarch. But I'm gonna show you guys the final product. Ooh, wrong one. See me, I always turning on the wrong one, eh? Okay. On my spoon. Slow down boiling. So let me bring this up here. So you guys see them, man. You can see them through all the steam, but you're not really thick, but you're kind of glazy. You see them. So they call that nappe, yeah? Or we call them nappe, where I think coat the back of the spoon, okay? That's all you like. You don't like anything else thicker than that, because this is more of like one sauce, not really one gravy, you know what I mean? You like the thing kind of run on the bottom of the rice like that, but so it's about how thick you like them right there. Okay, I don't know if you guys can make that out on the camera or what, but then what we're gonna do is we're gonna plate them up. So, of course, white rice, right? We're gonna plate them up with white rice, but we get vegetables on the side. Macaroni salad, Hawaii. You guys put macaroni salad, it would be the best. I mean, the macaroni salad mayonnaise will cut the vinegar taste and whatnot, but you know us guys, we stay in the mainland right now, and we stay in the Central Valley. I see them in Central Valley Kitchen right now. So, a lot of Oklahoma people, how's it that? A lot of oil field workers like that. So, you know, they like some good old vegetables. So anyway, my suggestion to you would be, put them with macaroni salad, would be ono, but rice macaroni salad, the chicken adobo, and a little bit of the sauce. But I'm gonna plate up one for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay? So I'll be back in a bit. Okay, guys. So anyway, this is kind of what the final product looked like. Yeah. What I did was I just put the rice and then the chicken, vegetables, and I put a sauce over the chicken, a little bit over the rice. Anyway, so you know, I neglected to tell you guys, make sure when you guys cooking this dish, you guys using vinegar, right? So you guys gotta use a non-reactive pot, stainless steel, or a Dutch oven, you know, ceramic coated. You cannot use aluminum pots. The thing will taste funny kind. The thing will get that metallic taste. Yeah. So make sure you guys use at least one stainless steel pot or one ceramic coated pot. Yeah. No cast iron, no aluminum, nothing like that. Okay. Or else the thing will taste funny. Anyway. So that's the final product. You guys got to give this one a try. There's real good flavor come out of this. So kind of on Thai-ish, kind of halfway Thai, halfway Filipino, but really good. And I know you guys gonna enjoy this dish. Anyway, simple recipe. I'm gonna have them at the end of the video. I have all the ingredients. I'm gonna give you the recipe for 4 pounds. I make 20 pounds, but I'm gonna give you the recipe for 4 pounds. Okay, and you guys can double them up or whatever you like to. And if you can use bone-in chicken with the skin on, it tastes even better. Okay? Anyway, guys, support you guys' local restaurants, yeah, especially the mom and pop ones. Until this nonsense get over with. Even got it for takeout. Just go once a month, once a week, whatever. But try to support them if you guys can. And I saw it been about a month between videos, but we've been running around crazy trying to open, trying to close. We open, we close. And I gotta go to all the different properties. So anyway, so you guys take care out there. You guys stay safe, yeah? Stay safe and stay out of the nonsense. And we should try to get another video up pretty fast. In fact, I'm gonna try to get a pot roast video up for you guys soon. Okay? Anyway, like I said, take care. You guys stay blessed out there. And you folks enjoy your week coming up, alright? Take care, and we will see you folks later on the next video. Aloha!